friends. So today I wanted to do a real quick hair refresh tutorial. As you can see, this is how I slept with it. I always sleep with it up in this big bun to protect my curls from getting all tangled. But I've actually been getting a lot of questions recently about how I do my hair. Prefacing this, I only wash my hair about once every 5 or 6 days because my hair is super dry. And even throughout those 5 or 6 days, I don't even use dry shampoo most of the time unless I get super sweaty or something because my hair is that dry. It doesn't even get oily in that time period. So really I wash it just once I get like some product buildup, because when I do refresh it, as you're going to see, I do put product in it. So today's day 2 hair. I washed it yesterday, so it's still clean, not too much product in it. After I washed it yesterday, I just put in the same product that I'm going to be using again today. And it's super quick. And I know that so many people who are overwhelmed with having curly hair don't know what to do with it. And they hate it because they don't know what to do with it. And it's a frizzy mess. I used to be there. It took me so long to figure out exactly how to work with my hair. Your hair is different than mine, and you might need more product or less product, but I just kind of wanted to show the process of how I refresh my hair on non-wash days. So I'm starting with this big bun. So I take it down. It's like, I don't really want to call it a pineapple because the ends aren't out. I have to tuck the ends in because my hair is a little bit too long for that. But I just use like a big scrunchie. So it comes down and it looks like this. And I just kind of like mess with it. You can see like the curls are a little wonky, right? But they're not super tangled. They're not super unruly as of right now. So I will also link, I'm only using 2 products in this video because that's how little I use. But I will link both of them below if you want them. So the first thing that I do is I get my hair wet because curly hair needs so much water, so much hydration. I use this little, it's called the Tangle Teezer. This is from Ulta. It's a little mister bottle. This has changed my life. I used to just use either my hands, like get my hands wet and then run them through my hair. That took forever because you need a lot of water. If your hair is as curly as mine or curlier. And I also then transitioned to just like a normal squirt bottle, which worked, but this has changed my life. So let me just show you how I do it. I kind of just take all my hair to one side and then just pump the little guy, and it's a mist. As you can see, it's so nice. And it really just coats. I want to make sure you get your ends. It coats everything. Get the middle layers. And you'll be able to see by the end how much water I'm using. Okay, so once I kind of go through it, I just kind of run my hands through it to make sure all the water gets absorbed into my hair. Then I flip it around to the other side and I do the same thing. Okay, run my hands through it really quick. And then I like to have it where it's damp, but it still like holds curl shape from when it dried. So you'll get to know too, if you do this, the best dampness level for your hair. Okay, so now it is dampified. It's actually not good enough on the ends. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now for the product. This product has absolutely changed my life. I actually only discovered this from Ms. Bianca Renee on YouTube. She's amazing for curl videos too. But I used to use the Kinky Curls Curling Custard. I still use that. I still love it. But right now I'm obsessed with this. This is the Dippity Doo Girls with Curls Curl Jelly. This is $11 on Amazon. People say you can find it for cheaper, like $5 at Marshall's, but I don't really go to Marshall's. I do all my shopping online. So Amazon is the place to be for this. Plus $11 is still super cheap for an amazing hair product. And you get 11.5 fluid ounces. That's more than a cup. So, okay. So I open this up. It kind of, let me show you what it looks like. It has like a little like jelly-ish consistency. It smells kind of, I don't know, fruity. I don't know. It smells clean and nice. Okay. So what I do is, this is kind of a weird way to get product out, but it's just the consistency of this gel. So this is what I do. Take my fingers and I just kind of dip them in like halfway, and it comes out and it looks like this. And then I just get all my hands covered. And then I do what I like to call the rake, smooth, and scrunch. So you rake your fingers through your curls to get all the strands and everything. And then you kind of smooth it, smooth, smooth, smooth. You want to get your roots, but not too much on your roots so it doesn't weigh it down. You just don't want flyaways or frizz. Okay, then you scrunch to make sure all the ends get all the goodness. I do both sides. I want to volumize and all of that. So that's literally all I do. That's all I do on a normal day when I'm not washing my hair. I never use heat on my hair. I don't even use a diffuser. That might change in the future because I'm kind of getting curious about it, but I always just do this. This is literally it. So yeah, that's it. And then I just kind of part it wherever I want to part it. And if you don't put enough product in, you can re-wet your hair and add more product again later. If you use too much, you can kind of squeeze some out and then rinse your hands, squeeze some out. You know, it's pretty easy to work with. This product at least, or like a curl defining cream, you can use that too, or a mousse. I love the Kristen S mousse. That's awesome. But yeah, that's it. I will link both of these products below, and happy refreshing.